Okay, everybody, as it turns out, you don't actually have to be hungry for your stomach to growl. Stomach growling, or more scientifically known as borborygmi, can happen at any time. That growling noise that you hear is actually caused by the movement of food, liquid, and gas inside your digestive tract. So when you're hungry, that noise is louder because there's no food in your stomach or intestines to muffle out the noise. So if you're interested in a little bit of gastrointestinal entertainment, or you're trying to decide if you're hungry, it's always great to listen to your stomach.